In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create leaders with arrows and text in AutoCAD. Leaders are useful for adding notes and annotations that clearly point to specific parts of a drawing. To begin, type MLEADER in the command line and press Enter. Click the location where you want the arrowhead to point, then click again to place the leader line and text location. Once the leader is placed, type your note or annotation and press Enter to finish. AutoCAD will automatically create the arrow, leader line, and text as a single annotation object. If you want to customize the appearance, type MLEADER style and press Enter. From there, you can modify settings such as arrowhead type, text style, text height, colors, and leader line formatting. Using leader styles helps maintain consistency across your drawings and gives them a more professional appearance. With a little practice, you'll be able to add clear and effective annotations to any AutoCAD project. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting in AutoCAD.